Hi guys, this is Heidi with Foundation. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy face mask with a bandana and 2 regular rubber bands that you can get at the grocery store. And this will protect you from COVID-19. So first we will fold the bandana into a long rectangle. We'll fold it over another time so that it becomes a skinnier rectangle. We'll put a rubber band on each side like that, and then we will fold one end into the other end so that it gets thicker, and then you secure each end and you stick it on your face, and now you're ready to get out there.